a spring that crosses the Appalachian Trail. Along the stretch through Maryland of the Appalachian Trail. And this stream will run for quite a few days after rains, and there's hardly 100 feet, maybe 200 feet more at the top, hardly. And we were pretty much at the top of the mountain, but for about 100, 200 feet maybe. So it takes a long time for this water to shed from the top of the mountain even. And it's a bit of a challenge to cross at the moment to the other side. I'll get my hiking poles. And here's this spring just popped up, literally just a pop-up spring that really floods out after good rains. And not only has it popped up in time, but it literally just like pops up right out of the ground. There's no spring beyond. See, just the side of the hill, right in there. It comes out of the side of the hill. Well, we made it to the other side and back on the trail.